Can Scrivener integrate with Zotero? If you are curious about whether Scrivener can work with Zotero, you are in the right place. Let's break down how these two tools can complement each other, even though they do not directly connect. Scrivener is a fantastic writing software that helps you organize your thoughts and manage complex writing projects. On the other hand, Zotero is a reference manager that excels at organizing research sources and generating citations. While Scrivener does not have a built-in integration with Zotero, you can still use both tools effectively. One simple method is to manually copy citations from Zotero and paste them into your Scrivener documents. This way, you can include references in your writing. However, keep in mind that these citations will be static text. They will not automatically update if you change something in Zotero. For those looking for a more automated approach to managing citations and bibliographies, consider exporting your Scrivener manuscript to a word processor that supports Zotero plugins, like Microsoft Word or LibreOffice. This is a common workflow among users. You can write your draft in Scrivener and then export it as an open document text or rich text format file. Once you open this file in LibreOffice or Word, you can take advantage of Zotero's dynamic citation features. If you are using a Mac, there are additional tools like DocDown that can help convert Scrivener projects into Word documents. This allows you to use Zotero's Word plugin for managing live citations. This method keeps your citations linked to Zotero, so you can edit them even after exporting from Scrivener. To summarize, while Scrivener does not directly integrate with Zotero, you can still combine their strengths. Start by writing and organizing your project in Scrivener. Then, manually copy citations from Zotero as needed. After that, export your manuscript to a compatible format like Open Document Text or Microsoft Word. Finally, use LibreOffice or Word with Zotero plugins to insert live citations and create bibliographies. This approach can help you manage your study time effectively. You can focus on writing in Scrivener while still utilizing Zotero's powerful citation management features during the final stages of your project. Although it requires a few extra steps, with practice, you can streamline this process to maintain productivity and accuracy in your referencing.